लेट्स गेट रेडी, आईज क्लोज्ड, आंखें बंद कर लीजिए और सीधे होकर बैठ जाते हैं. Let's sit still, spine erect, body relaxed. You are sitting in a cross-legged posture, both the palms over the thighs open towards the sky. And a gentle smile on your face. चेहरे पर हल्की सी मुस्कुराहट. You are smiling at your own self. अपने आप को ही देखकर मुस्कुरा रहे हैं मन ही मन. आंखें बंद ही रखेंगे. Keep your eyes closed. Take one gentle breath in, slowly let go. Observe what is happening within. अभी क्या चल रहा है हमारे मन के भीतर? What is happening? And gently become aware of the surroundings, the different sounds in the environment. And accept all the sounds as it is. सारी आवाज़ों को स्वीकार कर लेते हैं. Whatever there in the surroundings. Then move your attention to the whole body, from toes to the head. Again and again realize that this body is a beautiful gift from the divinity. There is presence of divinity in every single organ of ours. Honor and respect this body. शरीर का सम्मान करें. यह शरीर परमात्मा के द्वारा दिया हुआ बहुत ही सुंदर उपहार है. Feel grateful for this body. इस शरीर के लिए कृतज्ञ हो जाएंगे. और साधारण श्वास अंदर और धीरे धीरे बाहर. Gently relax the whole organs. Quickly move your attention from toes to the head. Relax your both the legs, abdomen, the whole back, both the shoulders and chest. Both the hands, right and the left. Top of the head, back of the head. The whole facial muscles. Check your smile. The body is full of energy, life, vitality. Feel that in your whole body. One more gentle breath in. Slowly let go. Let go of the bodily awareness. Now gently inhale and hold your breath. Hold it tightly. And gently exhale, relax. Once again, inhale, hold your breath, hold it tightly, hold. Exhale, relax. एक और बार. Inhale slowly, hold your breath as much as you can, जितना कर सकते हैं. और धीरे धीरे एक्सेल. रिलैक्स, विश्राम करें. Observe your breathing. The breath has become slower and deeper, which is affecting the mind. The mind is also becoming still and peaceful. धीरे धीरे मन शांत हो रहा है. Do not be in a hurry to open the eyes. आंखें बंद ही रखें. एक और साधारण श्वास अंदर, धीरे धीरे बाहर. Very slowly and steadily observe different thoughts in the mind. मन में जो भी विचार चल रहे हैं उसके प्रति सजग हो जाते हैं. Observe many different thoughts and consciously hold on to one thought and be with that thought for some time. Discard every other thought. One more gentle breath in, slowly let go. Now gently as you exhale, drop that thought away from yourself, discard it. और साधारण श्वास अंदर, धीरे धीरे बाहर. Once again become aware of the different thoughts and consciously hold on to one thought. Be present with it for some time. Discard every other thought. Be present with that one thought. धीरे धीरे inhale slowly as you exhale. Discard this thought as well and realize that you have the power to choose or discard the thoughts at your own will. You are the master. One more gentle breath in, slowly let go. विश्राम करें. Become aware of your emotions. अपनी भावनाओं के प्रति सजग हो जाते हैं. Realize that you have the power over your emotions. You can choose to be with a certain emotion or discard it. No more these thoughts, these emotions are going to control your life. Realize your power again and again. You are not the slave but the master of your thoughts and emotions. और साधारण श्वास अंदर, धीरे धीरे बाहर। ऑब्जर्व द मेंटल क्लैरिटी, पीस, स्टिलनेस। मन शांत हो रहा है, स्थिर हो रहा है। श्वास की गति भी धीमी और गहरी हो रही है। Observe the inner silence which brings clarity in life. One more gentle breath in, slowly let go. Relax more and more. अपने आप में विश्राम करें। Breathe in joyfully, breathe out joyfully. Slowly and gently externalize your awareness. अपने मन को बहिर्मुखी करते हैं। Become aware of the whole body and surrounding. Feel grateful for this human life, this breath, this body, and everything. Loka samasta sukhino bhavantu. Loka samasta sukhino bhavantu. Loka samasta sukhino bhavantu. Om Shanti, Shanti, Shanti. May every being on this planet becomes happy, healthy, fulfilled. Share your blessings, your good wishes with every creature. Very slowly and steadily, whenever you feel complete, अपना समय लेते हुए आराम से अपनी आंखें खोल सकते हैं. Gently open your eyes.